Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 Academic Word of the Day, reverse, for Week 5, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Reverse has two syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, verse. So we say reverse, reverse. It can be used as a verb or as a noun, but we're going to give you the verb definition and ask you to use the verb definition in your sentence. So the verb definition is to change something completely so it is the opposite of what it was before. Change something so that it's the opposite of what is before. And especially in literature, a good example of that is something we call verbal irony. In verbal irony, which is a literary term, the speaker reverses the meaning from what is spoken. Okay? That sounds like a funny idea. Why would you say something and mean the opposite? It's just a nice use of figurative language. So you have people standing in line here, waiting for the midnight premiere. I think a bunch of people did that recently for the Fast and Furious movie that came out last month. They got in line and waiting to get in. And this one customer says, because it would kill us to see the movie tomorrow. No. Now, does he literally mean it's true if they go see it the next day that it would kill him? No. He's making a joke. He's using verbal irony. It would not kill them to go see it tomorrow. And that's what's the irony. Okay. The noun form, reverse, also has the same pronunciation. It's just using, it's just describing the change itself. So in our same example, we can just simply say, in verbal irony, the meaning is reverse from what is spoken, the opposite. Okay, okay, you have a few other familiar words. We have reversed, and that's the participle or the adjective form describing the thing that was changed. Okay, the process is called the reversal. The reversal. Okay, so like if your car is going forward, and then you decide to go backwards, then you can say the reversal of the car was smooth. We have an adjective, reversible. That describes something that can be changed to the opposite. Something that can be changed to the opposite. For example, maybe you have a jacket, and when you put it on, it's a nice green jacket. But then if you turn it inside out, it becomes a nice yellow jacket, and you can wear it as a yellow jacket. Then we can say it's reversible. Something that can't be changed completely is irreversible. So we can have, like, our past is irreversible. You can't go and change your past. It's irreversible. Okay, your synonyms are backtrack, overturn, retreat, and turn back. Okay? Backtrack is mean going backwards. Okay, like if you put your car in reverse, or you reverse your car, and then you can say you backtrack. Or you start going to school and you go home because you forgot your backpack, and you say you're backtracking, excuse me, or you're reversing your path back home. Overturn. A good example for this is like Supreme Court decisions. Maybe lower court will make a decision about a court case, and a higher court, like the Supreme Court, could overturn the decision or reverse the decision. Retreat and turn back, as I mentioned already. Okay, retreat is going backwards. This retreat sometimes is used in warfare. Like you can say, the troops are advancing, but if they reverse and go backwards, then they are retreating. They're going back. Okay, your antonym is going ahead. And that's what you're going to do right now. You're going to go ahead and For your home fun, be sure to write an original sentence using reverse as a verb and include an illustration in the bottom right corner of your flashcard. Okay, happy studying.